How to activate Regions Bank debit or credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can activate your Regions Bank debit or credit card quickly and securely. First, when your card arrives, you can sign the back up for security. Then you'll have three easy options to activate it. So the first option is to go online. Go to regions.com and log into your banking account. And once you have logged in, you should be able to go ahead and find the option to manage card section. Select your new card and then you can just go ahead and activate it. The second option is to use the mobile app. You can open the Regions mobile app, sign in and tap your new card that is shown there and then tap on activate card. And the third and the final option is to uh, go and make a phone call. Call the numbers listed on the sticker of your card or follow the automated prompts. Once activated, your card is ready to use for purchase, bill payments, and online transactions immediately. And that's it. In under a few steps, your Regions debit card is ready to go. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. I'll catch you guys on the next one.